It's very cold outside, unsupportable.
It's nice weather, but it's very cold.
Oh yeah, it's too windy.
It's very windy since this morning.
Uy, I will focus lang my lemon.
Nice lemon.
Abawi. It's very cold here.
You see?
That one yesterday, I thought he pulled down the tree.
This is our lemon stock. when we don't have any more lemon, so the tree grew up.
See, you see, baby.
You see the like
The pull
this,
down is really a
you call
problem
that the
because
lemon.
it's lack of sun. It's my very cold outside, darling. I cannot go out.
Here's the wind.
You see our nice flower here.
That is,
This is a fake
oh,
flower.
it's plastic.
Yeah, it's in plastic.
That one.
It's nice for decoration.
But this one is real. My aloe vera. We use it really for juice,
For juice and for the hair.
for the hair, for the
And for the
face.
face. Some use for the back, but no, it's just for the face and the hair.
But usually we really use the jelly for juice. Puli. Anyway.
Mama? You see my cute princess? We're part of the family here in the house. Companion. Our adorable Polly here in the house.
Yeah. This is a very lovely one. Look at it, my love.
She's a good guard here in the house.
Aba, is super chismosa na to.
Looking to the neighbor house. But she's our guardian here.
He sent video to me. I will tell her to go. Tell him. Puli, regard.
Polly!
No, don't. Leave here. This is really.
She's very chismosa.
No, it's not mean. It's a very good girl. It's not chismosa.
She's a Mati Blig and Mati Fox. But she's a kangaroo because the morning when she want to go out, she jump like a kangaroo jump. Hello, Polly.
Don't make her down.
This is our next aloe vera, the one there. We have 3 aloe vera.
Yeah, but
here in
that
the
one we
house.
cannot use it, baby. Because it's
We're
very.
just waiting that they grow up because they're still small.
It's more on decorative.
Here we have a geranium, but we have to make back again because of the cold.
Balon, it's okay.
fully heard all the noise that us we cannot heard.
No, he is more. His ears is very good for hearing. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. This is Tita Hegi channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Yeah, Papa, but the problem we have 30 minutes to just a minute, huh? We go out quite early, my love. Nisipag rub.
No, no. I want to stay long time. Yeah.
It's Marie Claire is calling you, Musiri?
No.
But seem like you answered before 3:30.
No.
DJ Ladang Lagar, no?
No, what?
It's very, very cold. I will stay inside because that you can don't live for so much long time for Marie Claire, huh?
Ah oui, d'accord.